In order to define certain additional characteristics or properties of an element, such as width and height of an image, we need attributes. Attributes are additional values that configure the elements or adjust their behavior in various ways to meet the criteria the users want. Attributes are always specified in the start tag and usually consist of name-value pairs like this. Notice that attribute values are enclosed in quotes. Both single and double quotes can be used to enclose attribute values like this. Double quotes are, however, the most commonly used. In HTML5, certain attributes such as required, checked, and disabled do not consist of the name-value pair, but the name only. Such attributes are called Boolean attributes because they can be either true or false. How does this work when they do not take any value? The presence of a Boolean attribute on an element represents the true value, and the absence of the attribute represents the false value. Some attributes are required for certain elements. For example, in order for the img element to display an image, the source and alt attributes must be specified. The anchor element also requires the href attribute. We will deal more with these in the HTML images and HTML links sections of this course. Right now, let us take a look at some of the general attributes that we can use on elements. The title attribute is used to provide extra information about an element. This information is displayed as tooltip text when the user hovers a mouse over the element. Let's see it in practice. I am back in our exercises.html file. In the paragraph section, let me write one more paragraph like this. Notice the abbreviation IETF is contained in the abbreviation element. Then in the start tag of the element, let me include the title attribute with the full name of this abbreviation like this. The live preview will automatically update my page. Now if I move the cursor over this abbreviation, the value of the title attribute is displayed. The title attribute can be used on all elements. The style attribute allows you to specify inline style rules such as color and font on an element. Let's see this in practice. I have added one more paragraph to the existing ones with some specially formatted text. I have used some of the text formatting elements we discussed earlier. I want this paragraph to be of font size 18 pixels. To add this style inline, I will use the style attribute in the opening p tag like this. Then I assign the style rules like this. This is CSS syntax, and so don't worry about it if you are not familiar with it. We will cover all about CSS in a later course. Let me proceed to apply a green color to all M elements like this. Notice that the font size of my paragraph is larger than the others, and all M elements have a green color. As good practice, the use of inline styles is discouraged. Styles are specified in a separate style sheet, which is then linked to the HTML document. Let's take a look at other important general attributes.